Hello, cadets. Most of us crypto enthusiasts remember the Wild West that was the ICO market of 2017. Sure, it was fun and exciting at the time, but I don't think any serious investor would want to go back in time and relive all the stress that came with investing in new projects. Projects that promised the world but delivered nothing, outright scammers and swindlers. But the market has matured since then. While still not where it should be, the coin offering process has improved tremendously in the past 4 years, mostly thanks to decentralized finance. Investors have moved away from centralized solutions and opted to invest in up-and-coming projects via IDO launchpads, which became the hot topic of the DeFi sector. However, the current IDO launchpads face some major problems. They were designed to focus on short-term hype during the recent bull run. For launching projects, the fundraising schemes and go-to-market strategies are too volatile and market-dependent. On the other hand, if you're an IDO participant, you face unfair tier levels, pure lottery mechanisms, high gas fees, and a total lack of transparency. There's simply no appreciation or fairness for the communities behind the launchpads. Introducing ScaleSwap, an IDO launchpad that managed to solve all of these problems without having to make any sacrifices along the way. Let's see how it all works.
Cryptonauts.
ScaleSwap is a next-generation Ethereum-based IDO launchpad that offers features such as institutional-grade security and the lowest possible gas fees. The project managed to drastically improve its transaction throughput as well as reduce gas costs by partnering with an advanced Layer 2 scaling protocol, Polygon. This partnership puts ScaleSwap ahead of its competition and brings the best of both worlds: faster and cheaper transactions on one hand and Ethereum's decentralized structure on the other. The team is passionate about Layer 2 adoption and provides a seamless user experience where participants enjoy all of the benefits of interacting on Layer 2 with the ease and simplicity of a Layer 1 transaction. ScaleSwap is also taking the bold step to shift away from pure lotteries and valuing only the amount of tokens that are held to a multi-dimensional loyalty scoring system called ScaleScore, where you can earn guaranteed participation in pools over time. ScaleScore is the most essential part of their platform and the deciding factor for pool participation, the governance system, weighted airdrops, and other advanced features. The fuel that powers this infrastructure is the SCA token. SCA is an ERC20 utility token native to the ScaleSwap platform. However, the amount of SCA tokens being held is only one of the 6 dimensions that determine your scale score. The system was designed to ensure that the most loyal and active supporters are always rewarded, rather than only favoring the ones with the biggest budgets, which is a big problem with current launchpads. So, what do you guys think about ScaleSwap? Will this Polygon-powered platform outpace its competition and become the largest IDO launchpad? Let us know in the comments. And if you want to learn more about the project, check out the link in the description. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell. This was Captain Crypto, and as always, HODL, secure crypto, and may Satoshi and Vitalik be with you always.